Hello, mathematicians. Here we are, math lesson number 10, reading the questions in the green book. Okay, starting with page 1110, it says count by the first number given, then by the second number after the vertical line. So you're counting up by fives, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and then the key word here is continue counting by ones. So we're at 25, 26, 27, 28. Okay, same thing, count by fives, and then continue counting by ones. Number 2, complete each pattern. So they have the money up on top, so we're counting by tens, and then we're going to keep counting by fives because we want to know how much money all of this is. Count by tens, continue counting by fives. Count by 25s, continue counting by fives. Count by 25s, continue counting by tens. Number 3, complete each pattern. Okay, so they've done one for you as an example. So they started out counting by 25s, 25, 50, 75, and then they counted on by fives, 80, 85, and then on by ones, 86. Okay, so count by 25s, count by tens, count by ones. Count by 25s, count by tens, count by fives, count by 25s, count by tens, count by ones, count by 25s, count by tens, count by fives, count by ones. That sounds like it might be a big one. Number 4, complete each pattern by counting by the first number given, then by the numbers after the coin type changes. Okay, so it's the same thing. You're just matching the coins that are up there. So counting by 25s, then counting by 10s, then counting by 1s. Okay, same thing down here. Okay, page 111, counting coins. Complete the pattern by counting by each number given. Exact same thing that we've been doing all along. Counting by 25s, counting by 5s, counting by 1s. So they want is for this to just become automatic, right? So you can do 25, 50, 75, $1. We're counting by 25s. Tens, 1s. Count by 25s, 10s, 5s. Count by 25s, 10s, 5s, 1s. Question 6. Write the total amount of money in cents for the number of coins given in the charts below. Hint, count by the greater amount first. So they've organized their charts so that the bigger money is on the left. So you just have to know how much each money is worth. So if you're not sure, remember you can go back to the lesson video and check out that whiteboard that I made. So we're starting with nickels, which are 5s, pennies, which are 1, quarters, 25, dimes or 10s, quarters and nickels, quarters, nickels, pennies, and then for this one you'd put the total amount on the line, right? So the line here is for the value of the money. Quarters, dimes, nickels, quarters, dimes, nickels, pennies, quarters, dimes, nickels, pennies. Number 7, count by the given coins and write the total amount. Hint, count by the greater amount first. So this is the same idea, except for it's a random pile of coins. So you're going to need to organize this first before you figure out how much it is, right? So you'd count by the 25 first, then the 10, then the 5s, and then the 1s. Okay. Make sure that shows up. Okay, so page 112. Draw the additional coins needed to make each total. So additional means the extra ones, the adding ones you're going to put in there. Now be really careful. They're giving you what kind of coin. So this one's asking how many extra dimes are you going to need to get to 50 cents. So we've got 3 so far. You're going to draw in which ones you need next. Okay, and by draw them in, not a fancy one with the boat and everything, just like this, a circle with a 10 inside will do. Okay, this question's asking how many quarters will you need to get to 80 cents? How many dimes? How many quarters? Okay, so just make sure you're reading carefully for that one. Number 2, draw the additional coins needed to make each total. You can only use 2 coins for each question. So they're going to let you use whatever 2 coins you want extra in here, but you can only use 2. So we need to get to 26. We're at 20 so far, so you got to figure out what 2 coins you would need to get to this number here. Okay, so the numbers here are the goal, and then you have to draw the extra 2 coins that would help you get to that goal. Question 3, draw a picture to show the fewest extra coins the child will need to pay for the item. Ron has 25 cents. He wants to buy an eraser for 55 cents. So it's just like this. 55 is the target. He's got 25 so far. What extra coins is he going to need to get to 55? Alan has 3 quarters, a dime, and a nickel. He wants to buy a notebook for 97 cents. Jane has 2 toonies and 2 loonies. She wants to buy a plant for $10. Ray's has 3 toonies and a loonie. He wants to buy a book for $9.45. Number 4, show how to make 80 cents using only, the first one's using only dimes and quarters, and the second one's using only nickels and quarters. Okay, don't worry about this one because you don't have a classmate right now that you can trade with. Okay, good luck. Let me know if you have any questions.